And I'm back. That's right, I missed another cut. I'm trying to give you a heads up about section 1 of your test on Friday. The first part is over metric conversion. Okay, in order to do metric conversion, you got to know where you're going to start and where you're going to stop. All right, the next thing you need to know is King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Now, unusually is what sometimes people like to call the bass. Not the bass coming out of your car, but the bass. Is it the meter, the liter, the gram? The meter measures length. The liter measures liquid, glug, 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 glug. And then the gram measures weight. How heavy is it? Okay, in this situation, we're talking about the meter. How long is something? So, here we go. When you look, here's the little labels that you need. KM, HM, DM, M. M is by itself. Only one M, okay? And M is in the middle. So, DM, CM, MM. This is the little side and this is the big side. If you don't remember, go watch the video where it says, what does it look like? All right, so we look at our problems and we say, hey, where do we start on A? We start at M. So I'm going to put my decimal right here at M. That's in the middle. And where am I going? Where am I going to stop? I'm going to start at stop at KM. That's way over there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I'm going in that direction. That means I'm getting smaller. That's division by 10. That's division by 100. That's division by 1,000. Don't forget the comma. All right, that's 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. We write down our numbers and where we're starting from, and that's going to be 7, 0, 0, 0. Do you see a decimal in that? No. Does it exist? Yes. Where is it? Abracadabra. It's right behind the last 0 at the end of the number. There it is. Now what happened over here? We jumped 3 times going that way. So what we did in the work over here, we're going to do right here. 1, 2, 3. I label my jumps 1, 2, 3. Okay, where am I at now? I'm between the 7 and the 0. So that is 7.0. Do I need to write any more? No. You're good. All right? At this point, you are done. 7.0 is just plain old 7. So your answer is 7 km, and km stands for kilometer. The really, really big one. Remember I said like 1,000 school bus tires? Whew, that's big. All right, moving on. All right, I'm going to erase this. And now, oops, I'm going to put that M back. All right, so my next problem says we're going to start where? We're going to start at the KM. All right, so I go all the way to KM, which is way over here. All right, so I start at KM. And where am I going? Where am I stopping? That letter is the letter M. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I'm going in that direction, so that's times 10, times 100, times 1,000, whoopsie, times 1,000. All right, so I jumped 3 like that. What's my number? My number is just the number 6. Do you see a decimal? Does it exist? Yes. Where is it? Abracadabra. It's right behind it. It's never in front of it. Okay? When you see the number 6, that decimal does exist. It's behind it if you don't see it. All right? It's hiding. It's playing peekaboo with you. All right, so what did we do right here? We jumped 3 times. So we're going to jump 3 times. Which way? That way. 1, 2, 3. Is anybody home? Nope, I don't see nobody. So what number represents that nobody's home? 0, 0, 0. What's my next step? My step is to rewrite 6, 0, 0, 0 decimal. But I'm not done. I need to see if I can put a comma somewhere. 1, 2, 3, comma. And what do I have? I now have 6,000. 1,000. So I put 6, 0, 0, 0. Okay. That looks good. So, moving right along. All right, the next one. Where do we start? These letters tell me MN. Hey, that's way over here. Okay, no problem. So I put my decimal right by MM. And where am I going? I'm going to CM. It's right next door. How many times did I jump? 1. Am I growing or am I getting smaller? That way says I'm smaller. So that's divided by 1 jump is just 10. What is my number? My number is 20. Do I see a decimal? No. Does it exist? Yes. Where's it hiding? Abracadabra. Right behind that 0. It's always at the end of the number. All right, how many jumps did I do here? 1. 1. Now I need to what? Rewrite 2 decimal 0. Okay? 2 decimal 0. You're done. 2 decimal 0 is just plain old 2. Moving on. All right. Where do I start? It says start at CM. I look, I find it, put it right here at CM. What do I need to do? Jump it. Where am I stopping? I'm stopping at M. 1, 2. Going that way, I'm getting smaller. Divide by 10. Divide by 100. That's 1 jump. That's 2 jump. My problem is 800. Do I see a decimal? Does it exist? Yes. Abracadabra. Poof. There it is. Okay, so what did I do right here? I jumped 2. Did I jump to the left or did I jump to the right? I went to the left. That means my numbers are going to get smaller because of division. I jumped twice. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rewrite 8 decimal 0 is just 8. And you are done. Don't forget your label. Jump it. Metric conversion. Metric convert. That's it. Later.